Have you wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing, or sternutation, is a powerful, involuntary expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth. It's our body's way of clearing irritants from the nasal cavity. When particles like dust, pollen, or smoke enter our nostrils, they stimulate the sensitive mucous membranes lining the nasal passages. This irritation sends signals to the brain's sneeze center in the medulla oblongata. In response, the brain coordinates multiple body parts, the diaphragm, chest muscles, and throat, to expel the irritants forcefully. This reflex action helps protect our respiratory system, ensuring that harmful particles are removed efficiently. Fascinating, isn't it?